इंस्टाग्राम चैनल सर्च कर रहा था तो
आया नहीं। जो मेरी डिजिटल मिस्टर प्रिंस वाले चैनल है ना, उधर भी मिल जाएगा। जो ये नाम है ना, वो सेम ही नाम है उसमें भी। हाँ, यही जो इस क्लास चलती है उसी क्लास को निकाल के डाल दे। क्या टेंशन है। माइक ऊपर है ना काम, मैं इसके अंदर ही खड़ा हूँ। समझ गई। अरे हाँ, मैंने इसमें कनेक्ट कर रखा है ऐसे। मैं भी ना, ये ना, हाँ, मेरे को पता नहीं था। इसमें मेरा भी, हाँ हो जाता है। देख इधर से सेटिंग्स में, सॉरी उसकी सेटिंग्स में से होता है। जो भी होंगे वो सब देखेंगे। बाहर कर यूट्यूब में देख ले। बोला नहीं उठो। भाई मैंने पूरे चैनल का वो वीडियो दिखा दी। नहीं नहीं, मैं ऐसे थोड़ी ना बोलता। मैं लाइव हूँ। देख सब आवाज आ रही है। टैबलेट में बस करा। नहीं, 29 लाइक से 30 सब्सक्राइबर क्या है। ये कैंडी क्रश मस्त वीडियो बनाता है। तो रैच की वीडियो देखता है तू, रैच?
How are you, dear?
I am fine.
How was your day?
One second. Good.
Okay, great. 1 minute, dear. Okay, so see, dear, in today's class, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about DOM. Okay, so first, Prince, can you please tell me like what we have done in the previous class?
Functions.
Okay, we have done functions
Array and
activities.
array
Hmm?
and functions in JavaScript. One more activity. चेहरा नहीं आ रहा। हाँ, बराबर। हम्म, पता नहीं। 10 दिन के लिए छुट्टियों पे गई है। अभी अभी मैसेज किया। मेरा ही है। एंड वो है यूवी वाला है। हाँ नॉर्मल कोई ब्लू रेस ऐसा ना कुछ नहीं। सही रहते हैं ईयरबड से। बर्थडे गिफ्ट दिया था। या यार से दे दीदी दी
दीदी
राजस्थान से लेके आई थी।
बारह साल पढ़ेगा क्या?
नहीं नहीं, परसों की है, न्यूज़ टाइम।
मुझे तो धीरे धीरे करते करते होता है। बस घूमने में लड़का बरस के मस्त खड़े होते हैं। बहुत घमंड है।
बेकार लगते हैं घमंड के लोग मुझे।
हाँ, मेरे स्कूल में सब एक से एक पागल लोग सारा। बता कर
मेरे क्लास में तो किसी भी एक जगह मतलब कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो बाकी सब जने जिसने प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट की उसको मारना जाता है। मदद के लायक भी तो है। सही यार, ये कभी कभी ना कैमरा नहीं आता ना, मेरा दिमाग खराब होता है। हाँ, कैमरा नहीं आया मेरा। हाँ,
वो बड़ा है, सबका बड़ा है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक में।
कुछ भी कहता है हाँ तू।
थोड़ी आया ना।
तेरा तेरा
Friends,
मतलब नहीं
good
आ रहा।
evening. Let me call Vivan.
ओके।
Yeah, till then you can practice.
और हैं और व्हाट?
Yeah, I'm just calling Vivan. Till then you can practice the last session.
ओके, क्या पता। ये पूरी बात इंग्लिश में चलने वाली है। हाँ, पूरी बात। क्यों करेगी मलयालम? मैंने इंग्लिश लिया था। मलयालम लैंग्वेज ही नहीं आएगी तो कहाँ से समझेगी टीचर? नंबर दो मलयालम बच्चे क्या है? क्यों बोलता? इंग्लिश में बात करती है। हमारा सिर्फ इंग्लिश क्लास होती है ना। नहीं नहीं, जब हमारी इंग्लिश क्लास होती है ना, इंग्लिश पीरियड तभी मतलब बातें होती है। तुम्हें क्लास होती है बहुत अलग अलग इससे। ये वाला सही है वैसे, किसी और को इन्फेक्शन भी नहीं होता। देख एक बार पहन के देख, सही लगेगा। हाँ हाँ, ये सिर्फ ज्यादा सस्ते ही है, 300 की है, 300 का 400 कुछ की है। नहीं तो इससे महंगे भी अपन वो बहुत काम सेम ही करते, बस डिजाइनिंग का पैसा ले लेते। हाँ, ठीक है, मैं तो आ तो गया विमान। कितना टाइम लगेगा? क्या पता, मतलब क्या नहीं वाली टीचर को काम किए नहीं। हाँ, तो तो फिर और क्या करता है? हाँ, सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा ना। मेरे को अगले साल काम आएगा 8th में। हमारे स्कूल में कंप्यूटर सिखाते हैं ना, कि मेरे को स्टेट लेवल क्या जिला में ले जा सकते हैं ना स्कूल वाले। हाँ, क्योंकि ये सर्टिफिकेट है ना गवर्नमेंट का होता है। हाँ, और हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी का भी लोग होता है। हाँ, टीचर आ रहा है कि पता होगा नहीं कि पता नहीं मैं चालू कौन कर रही क्लास
सत्ता
कि मैसेज करूँ नहीं टीचर है
नहीं टीचर क्यों
हाँ बस दूसरी वाली टीचर 2 क्लास कराओगी
वो नंबर
देखो नंबर 1 को थोड़ी ना
मोबाइल में जस्ट
मोबाइल में मतलब
मोबाइल में तो मैसेज आना है
हाँ तो मोबाइल में मैसेज अभी अभी करी है लेना मैं आज को नहीं आऊंगा
Hi everyone, how are you?
व्हाट्सएप देख हाँ चालू होगी
I'm fine.
Yeah, everyone, can you please have your camera on? So, how was your day? What have you did today?
It was fine.
Yeah, so let me first introduce myself to both of you. My name is Riya Makhani, and over here in Coding World, I have been working from past 3 years, and I have total of 6+ years of teaching experience as well. And today your teacher is not available, so only I am be taking this session. So, if you also can introduce yourself.
yes my name is Prince and I like to study new things and I'm
Okay, that's
studying
great.
7th standard okay thank you
Mm, okay, that's great to hear. And yeah, Vivan, you can introduce yourself.
My name is Vivan. I study in 8th standard and um, I like to study.
Okay, that's great to hear. So nice to meet both of you. And let's get started. So before we get can you tell me what you have learned in the previous session?
in previous session
Yes.
mm, methods or I not remember actually but we learned methods or loops
Yes.
Um,
Okay.
Ma'am, I was absent for like the past 2 weeks, so I don't know what happened.
Oh, okay, no problem. So I think it was about methods and loops. So tell me, what are methods?
methods
Yes.
I not remember
Okay, so let's quickly recall it so that both can relate it as well. So methods are like the inbuilt functions. You know functions, right?
yes
Right? Inbuilt means it is already available in JavaScript. We call it as a methods. For example, if you want to change a word into capital letters, so we have a method to uppercase, which will change, let's say, hello to the capital hello. Clear?
okay
Yeah, then we have two lowercase, which will change all the letters to the small letters. Then we have start with, which will check whether the word is starting with any character or not. Getting so this all are the inbuilt methods available in JavaScript. I think that is what you learned in last session. And loops is basically nothing but something that is keep on repeating. Let's say you want to print hello 100 times. Instead of writing print hello 100 times, what you will do? You will use loop, right? That will help us to save your time, save the lines of the code as well. It will be just 3 lines, and you will get the hello 100 times, right? So that is what the use of the loops. So that is what you learned in last session, right? Do you have any question in that?
no
Great. What was the after class project? Do you remember?
yes same project we want to mix the methods and loops
Correct. So great that you were able to recall some of the things of the last class. So here is your first batch. Congratulations. Logic Explorer. Great job. Let's see how many batches you are getting today for your great performance. Yeah. So let's get started. Hope that my screen is visible. You can make it full so you can see it clearly. And you can use this picture in picture option so you can see my video. Okay. So let's see more about JavaScript. So first topic that we have is the data types. So anyone can tell me which are the different types of data we can store in a variable?
Numbers, alphabets, and symbols.
Correct. We can store numbers. It can include decimals also. We have strings, that is a sequence of characters like hello or sentences, which is in single quotes or double quotes. We can have object, that is a collection of a data. We can have boolean, that is true or false. We can also store null type of value, which is like this, which represents the intentional absence of a value. Undefined also we can store it, which also represents the absence of value. Clear? So we have three different types where we can declare a variable. First one that we have is a var keyword. So what is the use of var keyword? This will help us to declare a variable. For example, I'm creating a variable named as age using var keyword, and I can assign anything to it. Getting? So this is how I'm creating a variable in JavaScript. Clear? Then we have a let keyword. Now you will have the question, what is the difference between var and let keyword, right? So let keyword can be reassigned. What it means, for example, I'm declaring a variable like this, var age. Okay, and I'm trying to get the value of it. So this will give me the error. But if I try to reassign the value of this age as well, like this, in the next line, we can also write like this, age equals to 10. If we have declared the variable using let keyword. Are you getting the difference between var and let? You can also try it in the code. Did you got the difference between var and let? Okay. Then
No,
we have.
ma'am.
Yes, tell me what question you are having in this.
Um, Never mind, ma'am.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Once you will do it practically, in the coding part, you will get more understanding about it.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so once you will do it practically, you will get more understanding. Then we have const keyword here, which helps us to give the constant value, which means you cannot change it afterwards. Okay, so we write like this, const, and then we can give a variable name. Okay, so we can write like this, const, and for example, I am giving a variable name as b equals to 5. Now this is fixed throughout the code. You cannot change. If you try to change it, it will give the error. So this is fixed. It's constant throughout the code. Did you get it?
No.
Because we use const keyword here. If you have used where keyword, you can change it because it's a variable. If you have written where b equals to 5, you can change the value of b as 10 also afterwards. It will not give any error. But if you have used const keyword, you cannot change.
Okay.
Clear?
I understand. Yes.
Great. So that is the difference between the where and the const keyword. Now we have the conditional statement that will help us to perform different actions based on the different conditions. Like, we have different conditions. For example, if it is raining outside, then you will take your umbrella and or raincoat and you will go, right? So that will help us to make some decision based on the conditions, right? Getting? So if you score, let's say, 100 marks, you will be in top. But if you score less, then you will not become in the top, right? So that means it depends on the condition. If you're going to school, you should wear uniform, right? So there will be like multiple condition. If you want to add, we use else. Getting?
Yes. This thing
And
we
else
know.
will
We
have
learned this thing.
this you learned it. Okay. Loops also I think you learned, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So let's go ahead with the activities. We'll be having 3 activities. First one is the data types, which are available in JavaScript, and the purpose of let and const keywords. So we are practicing here all the different data types. And here you can also try the let keyword, const keyword, and okay. So let's try this first activity. Yeah, if you have any question, you may ask.
You want to write the hashtag also, means comment?
Hmm?
You want to write comment also or just leave?
Comments are just for your reference. It is ignored by the computer.
Okay.
It's just for your reference to understand. Yeah, Prince. So let me know if you have any question in this first activity. You have any question?
No.
Okay, Prince. So let's start. You can share your screen.
1 second, I will remember.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. You can start.
great. Yeah, Vivan?
Sorry, ma'am, I got disconnected.
Okay, no problem. Let me reshare the screen again. So, Vivan, did you get the first activity?
Uh, no, ma'am, I couldn't hear anything
No
after
problem.
the
So,
flower part.
okay. So, we have discussed this, I think, loops and conditional statements. You already know it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, now we'll be moving on to activity one, where we are learning about the data types here. We are putting that and the purpose of let, cons, keywords also. You can try it here. This is the first activity where we are trying different data types.
Uh, so this is in JavaScript, right?
Yes, we'll be putting in the script tag.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want to make another file, you can create another JavaScript file also. Or if you want to use HTML, you can use script tag and add this.
Okay.
Both way it will work. So tell me, do you need the screen or you will do it by yourself?
Ma'am, I'll do it by myself.
Okay, great. Let's start. You can share your screen.
Okay.
Very nice, Prince. Good going. Let me know if you have any question.
Oh, never mind.
Very nice.
No?
Yes, Prince.
Nothing, ma'am.
Done?
No.
Okay. Very nice. Good.
No.
Good going. Very nice. So I think you're almost done. Yeah, Prince, done?
Yes, almost.
Very good.
Yes, I'm done.
Perfect. So your D that you have put it, right? The value of D is.
Yes.
So in that you have to put it plus D outside the double quotes, not inside it.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah, and then if you are checking whether A and B are equal, so outside it you can put plus A double equals to B. You are checking that whether both are equal or not.
Okay.
So you'll be putting it, combining it after double quotes. Yes.
Yes, none.
Hmm.
Correct.
Yeah. Now after that one, after A and B are equal, you can put after double quotes plus, and then you can compare A equals to B. 15th one.
A equals to D. No.
No, that is correct. A and B are equal.
Okay.
You can put that. Now you can put after double quotes plus
Where?
after double quotes.
Yes.
Plus, yes, plus.
Plus.
Then you can put round brackets and you can add A equals to B. We are checking, yes. A double equals to B.
Okay. And
Clear?
same thing here.
Hmm?
Same thing here also, na? B is equal to
No,
C.
no. Yes. B equals to C.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vivan.
the light in my area just went.
Oh, so no problem. You are able to attend the class, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, correct.
done. Okay, perfect. You can run and check, and then you can submit. Done.
Yes.
Not quite,
Vivan,
ma'am.
done.
I'm on the last line.
Okay.
Okay, done, ma'am.
Perfect. So let's submit. Let's first run and check it's working or not. And yeah, we'll start with the second activity, which is conditional statements. So good job, both of you have tried it nicely by yourself. So here is your next part, which is creative building. You are back to your back. Keep it up for your good work. So let's see for the next activity now.
Ma'am, do we share the project?
Yes, yes, please submit it. Done?
Ma'am, the light just came back.
Okay, okay, no problem. So now we'll be starting with the next activity, which is a conditional statements. So we'll be creating a greetings application, as you can see my screen, where we'll be clicking on the button to get a time-based greeting. So we are creating a button here in the HTML. Okay, that is try it. Once we click on this one, my function, it will call the my function here, and it will be showing the greetings. Okay, so this will help us to get the hours. Okay, so get hours will help us to give us the current hour of your system. For example, your system is following 24 hours. It's let's say 18. Okay, what's the time? 18 minutes.
18 minutes. 18 hours.
18 hours means what is the time in 12-hour format?
Into 6 p.m.
It is 6, right? So it's evening. So
Sir.
yeah, if it is less than 10, it will say good morning. If it is less than 20, it will say good day. If it is greater than 20, that means before 8, after 8 p.m., it will say good evening. So it will say current hour, whatever it is, it will show that. Clear? Did you get this? Prince Vivan?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Yes, let me know if you have any question in this.
No.
Yeah, did you get the second activity?
No, I am remembering it.
So ma'am, it's basically a clock thing.
Hmm?
It's a clock AI thing.
Yes, like a clock you can say, which will give us the time using get hours as a part of date object.
It
So
will be given
it
random
is giving us
or
the date.
it will give
No, this is
random
not
or
random.
what?
Like get hours is we are using. So
You're
get
writing
hours is
the
what taking the hours from your system,
okay.
current from your system.
It will take our system number, then it will recall that. Then basically in our
Yes. So
system,
we are
it will be not Roman numbers. It will be like digital clock, and then what it will do.
yeah. So if it is let's say digital one, right? From let's say if it is 6 p.m. instead of 1886. So it will like check like that. You can put like that way. If it is less than 10, then it is like good morning. If it is less than 20, it is like good day. Like that, you can put it.
Yes,
It will take the same.
same thing.
You
It
can
will
try
be
it
take.
once. If not, if it is not working, we'll check.
Okay,
Yes, it will work.
so that one
Yes.
I remembered. You can start.
Yes. You got the logic of the code, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I memorized the code.
Yes, Vivan. Yes, Prince.
Yes, ma'am. I memorized the code.
What?
I memorized the code.
Okay, great, great. Let's start. You can share your screen. Vivan, did you get this?
Yeah, basically.
Okay, great. So let me know if you have any question or if you are not able to understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all right. Really, you know,
Yes, Prince. Yes.
no, I am writing, but it's not coming. It's lagging.
Your voice is cracking a lot, Vivan. I think you're having some network issues.
So,
Sorry, Prince. Your voice is cracking.
okay. I am telling
Yeah,
my
Prince. Now you can share.
software, in my software, it's lagging. What I do? Whatever. कुछ अपने
Oh, okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, I understand.
ये सबसे problem
Mm, yeah, Prince. I think your screen is not shared. You can share your screen.
once again. Now, hello. Now,
Mm,
now.
yes, Prince.
Okay.
Uh, let's start. Yes, I can see your screen.
Actually, let's miss it.
Very nice. Done. Very nice. Good going. Very nice. Good going. Let me know if you have any question. Yes, I can see both of your screens.
Ma'am,
Yes.
uh, is the like mark supposed to be up there?
Yes, Prince. What's your question?
Not right, it's Vivek's question.
Hmm?
It's not my question, it's Vivek's question.
Okay. Yes, we want.
Uh, I found the answer to the question, ma'am. The this curly bracket was like messed up there, so I just fixed it.
Yes. So this is the part of the function only, Vivan. So the curly bracket you put it on 11th line.
Yes.
That should not close there because these conditions that you are putting, if else, and all, that will be the part of function only. So this curly bracket will be putting it at the end.
Okay.
Yeah. Because this is the part of the function only. Very nice. Good going. Very nice. Good going.
Ma'am,
That
are we supposed to put the greeting in the inverted commas?
Yeah. So greeting is nothing but a string. Okay, so yes, you'll be
Okay.
putting that. Correct. Yeah.
ma'am, it's
So
not
here,
working.
wait, wait. Greeting is not a string; it is a variable. So you'll be not putting the double quotes in that.
Where?
It is the variable. Yeah.
Okay. Done.
Yes, Vivan. It is variable. Yes. Yes, Prince. Done.
Done.
Ma'am, it's not working.
Let me check. See my function.
Where?
What is the function? F is small, right? Which were made on the 10th line. The same way you have to make the F small.
Huh?
It's you have seen that in the
Huh?
5th line, my function F is capital.
Ma'am, should I share the project?
Small.
Where, ma'am?
Vivan, it's working.
Uh, how do we check that, ma'am?
You can run and check.
Yes, now
Yeah.
it's
Okay,
working.
perfect. It's working, Vivan. You can see.
But where it's showing
But it's showing
undefined.
undefined because get hour, you have put the get hour is the function. So it's get hours, HOURS, and it is having round brackets because it's a function.
Okay,
Okay, so it is get hours
Okay,
and then put
done.
the round brackets.
it's not
Done.
working.
Ma'am.
Hours, S will come. It is hours.
Hours.
It is hours. Get hours. Put the round brackets. Hmm.
Yes, it's come.
Now you can run. Perfect. Very good. Let's submit. So great that you have created it nicely. So here is your next batch, which is the marvelous coder. Very nice. So now we are left with only the last activity, which is generating random numbers using a while loop. Let's get started with that. Let me know once you submit the activity. Done.
Yes.
Okay, so
Second,
now we'll be going to
conditional statements.
do this third activity where you can see that yes, friends, what? Yes,
Now how to
conditional statements. Second activity. Yes, conditional statement is the second activity.
okay.
Now the third activity is the generating random numbers using a while loop. Okay, so what we are doing is we are generating random numbers here It's not random. You can see it's in sequence only. And we are using the loop here because we want to print 0 to 9 like this. So instead of printing it like this, which will take 10 lines, we are using the while loop, which just take only 3 lines, right? So while I less than 10, and then we are printing this text plus equals to the number s, and then we are incrementing the I with 1. So first we are starting from 0, then it will check 0 less than 10, it is correct, then it will print this, and then we'll be incrementing it by 1. Getting?
Yes.
Any question?
No.
Great, so let's get started.
Okay.
Please share your screen.
1 second.
Yeah.
Okay, you can stop.
Okay, Prince.
Can you see my screen, ma'am?
Mm, yes, Prince. Now I can see it. Very nice. Good going.
इस बार सबसे पहले
Very nice. Good going. Yeah, so you're almost done, Vivan. Great.
मैम
I think Prince is also done.
correct.
Sorry.
It's correct.
Prince, you have to, in HTML, equals to text. So just you have to put equals to. text. And you'll be also putting a text before document dot get element by ID inside the while loop. No, document dot get element will not be inside the while loop. That is the outside it. Inside you have that text. Yeah. Let me show you how it will look like so that you'll get better idea. Yes, so prints like this.
Okay.
As you can see here, this is what you miss, two lines.
Yes.
So here you can see we are putting this message here. The string is there. So that we need to repeat, right? It is keep on repeating. The number is, and then I is the value that is the counter, which is starting from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, like that. So I is keep on changing here, right? So we need to also print that inside the while loop. And this get element by ID will be outside it. Why? Because that is
Ma'am.
only, comes once.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, I finished the code. It's working, and I submitted it.
Very good, Vivan. Good job. So I think Prince has also completed it almost.
Yes.
So very nice. Both of you has did amazing. So here is your next batch, which is for passing. Thanks to both of you. You're back to your batch. Nice job. As you have done it nicely today. So you got so many batches. Okay, I think Prince is almost done.
Ma'am, I can't see the project.
You can't see it. My screen.
Not your screen. In the yes, now I can
What
see.
happened?
Now I can see.
Yeah, it worked. It worked, right?
Yes.
Great. Let's submit. So let's summarize what you have learned today. Yes, Vivan, friends, what you have learned today?
Today,
Um,
what we learn? Loops and loops we already. Today we learned the what we say
Conditional statements.
condition statements and random no data types and data types.
Yes, Vivan, do you want to add anything?
sure, ma'am. So today we've learned about generating numbers from 0 to 10 with a loop. And then we've learned about conditional statements and also about data types in detail.
Also, we have seen the three types of declaring variables, where,
Yes.
let, and const, which you can also try it in your free time. And your after class project is about printing random numbers. So you'll be printing a set of random numbers using a while loop and with the help of let keyword. Clear?
Okay.
Any
Okay.
question for the entire session?
No, nothing.
Okay.